Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download Python on Windows 11. So first off, just start off from Google and just search something like Python, right? And when you search Python, you'll see that there's the Python official website right here. It's www.python.org. Make sure it's this one. Just click on the website, welcome to python.org. Now, once you're on this website, go to the download section here. And on the download section, you'll see there's a lot of releases that you could pick, right? And you can pick whichever one you'd like. I'm just gonna download the latest one, which is this one here. You can see by the release date, I'm going to download this one. Just click on the download button right there. Now just scroll down and you'll see that these are the couple of files that you can download. You can either go with an installer or an embeddable package, right? But if you're not sure which one to pick, just find the recommended one. So right here, right? So right now I have a 64-bit operating system. So of course I'm going to download the 64-bit one. If you have a 32-bit operating system, go with this one. But most modern computers are 64-bit right now. So I'm just going to download this one. Click on save. And then it'll download like this, right? Once it's done, just click on it. Click on run. If you already have Python, it'll say upgrade now, but if you don't, it'll just say install now instead of upgrade. I'm just going to click on upgrade now, click on yes, and now it'll be downloading or initializing like this. Just give it a second. As you can see here, I've got into when the installing is almost done. Right now, it's getting rid of the previous version I usually have and replacing it with the new one and essentially upgrading it. Now it'll be done in just a second, but do note that if you do have a old version, and that means you'll be removing something old as well, like the library and other dependencies. So make sure when you upgrade, you know what you're doing. But as you can see, the setup was successful, and of course, you'll need to restart your computer to have it take effect. But you're pretty much done. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.